And hello everyone, and welcome to my Jeffree Star Cosmetics tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your Jeffree Star Cosmetics gift card code. So what you need to do first is pick the gift card size, press generate, and now wait for a moment. Continue here, and then just copy your code, and I'm just going to try mine on the Jeffree Star. So let's go here on the shop, Blue Plus collection, and here let's go and add 3 products to the bag. Continue shopping, and let's add another one and continue to the cart. And let's proceed to the checkout. And here on the checkout, and let's paste in the code and apply. And now the discount code has been applied. So that's it, and thanks everyone for watching my tutorial.